I was a little boy, I wanted to be a hero.
The truth is, when you get older, sometimes things don't always turn out the way you hope they would. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Handle that business. Believe in yourself. Create your own destiny.
What's up, guys? We're on upper body training right now. We're gonna train some chest. No, not chest, I'm sorry. I'm tired of putting chest on my fucking channel. We're gonna train back, some shoulders today. Hop in with these guys, hit a couple deadlifts in. I hate, like, ever since I used a deadlift bar, I don't like deadlift when I have a deadlift bar now. And thanks to Larry for that. Larry kind of like put that in my head. Like, yeah, you need to get a Texas deadlift bar. You need to get that extra whip. Yeah. I'll probably go up to like 5, maybe 6, I don't know. Jump in with him and then finish the rest of the workout. Right now I'm still warming up, getting my mobility going. My shoulder's tight right now from all the fucking excessive benching and shit. Yeah, 315 is my warm-up. Bitch. Those are new and I'm about to fuck them up again.
My name's Rasmus. My name is Christian. We are twins. Nothing to do with fitness. I still love fitness. About entrepreneurship, make money online, building that freedom lifestyle, all that good shit that you should be into. He's bigger, but I'm stronger.
He's stronger?
Yeah, I mean, look how big he is.
Yeah, I'm like, wait, bro, you look big, dude. Goddamn safety. And you ain't never deadlifted. Never done. Damn, bro, you are not the color you seem. I mean, looks-wise, yeah. Where's the strength, man? Turn face this way. Make your turn like towards me. You can actually build those. No, you actually have. No, you don't have the typical. Usually, top area is just like a ball, but yours actually are elongated like mine, so you can actually build some fucking huge calves.
Let's see your calves.
Ridiculous.
Damn, I'm asking shit. But you can.
So I could.
You can definitely build calves like that. Yeah. I'm saying him. I'm not saying every motherfucking one of you, right? Some of y'all, you know, because black people usually have these ball. So here's like, all right. So here's your knee, here's your calf muscle. There's usually you usually have a ball of calf right there. It doesn't stretch all the way down into the ankles, right? So that's how mine. It's not a ball. It's this top area right here. My calves suck now. They used to be a lot better. But from right here and it's all the way down here. It's not just stuck up here. You see? So you have that same style build.
Look at that though. Holy shit. Wow, that's pretty full of girls.
I need the obtainable for everyone look, rather than this fucking black swole jail body.
So you don't even like train for size at all?
No, I'm just this size, bro. I don't want to be this size. You're so big. Like, bro, stop telling me that. Y'all don't understand the struggles I have. And then people tell me, like, you don't know how good you got it. Like, no, shut up. Just because you want this don't mean I do.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
It's just like hers. The family curse.
Dude, they're sick, aren't they? Dude, the Pac-Man ghosts.
Pac-Man goes.
It's dope, actually.
Y'all just be twinning hard.
Yeah, we try. It's the brand. It's the brand. Oh, we do have matching tattoos there.
Matching tattoos.
Everything's in like threes. You got like 3 mountains, 3 stars, 3 trees. It was supposed to be me, my brother, and our younger sister. She's 18, 19 now.
19? Oh, okay. She's not that far from y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, bad. Damn.
So
if the sister's watching, you gotta get the tattoo. I wish I had a twin brother.
Dude, I'll be honest, it's the sickest thing ever.
Yeah. You don't know who you talking to, girl.
We have a particular video where we kind of talk about really why we had the success we had. Because we have a small channel, but like, we've been able to monetize heavily. We have like diehard fans that like trust the shit out of us and will buy what we're selling, right? So even though we don't have that many, like, we have a channel like 1,500 subscribers. Like, we could probably monetize those better than someone who has like 100,000. Because like, we got the tightest like relationship with them. So how?
Dude,
I feel like, you know, listen to Gary Vee.
Huh?
We listen to Gary Vee because like what he was saying is that
like just like responding back to everybody. I do that, and I feel like I'm getting better at it. The more I see, sometimes I get lazy because it's like, damn, I get overwhelmed.
Oh yeah, we have 48 hours in the day, not 24. Yeah, so that's not fair advantage.
I'm feeling it, but then sometimes you see comments where kind of like discouraging.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, I don't want to deal with that. So I kind of got to the point to where somebody got to me and I listened to them. It's like, yo, just don't read comments. And I did for a while. And then I was like, yo, it's kind of like fucking up. I feel like when I see other fitness YouTubers like Christian Guzman, Max Shooting, who have like, and Matt Aesthetics, who have like this foundation of just like solid people that just follow. Like no matter what they do, they got people behind them. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like for me, I lack that. Like I have a good amount fan base. People want to see me do shit, but when it comes to like, I think business-wise, like yeah, people get my programs and stuff, but I don't feel like I have like a cult.
Right. Right. It definitely comes down to relationship building. Relationship building with your following. Not just building, but building a relationship so people trust you.
People already don't trust me because I keep claiming natural, and everybody's just going to constantly throw. I'm fucking on steroids.
I always knew it.
So it's just like, I don't know how. I don't know what else.
I know. There's nothing you can do at this point. So that's just that's tough. But yeah, for me, like it came natural to us because like whenever we post a video, someone comment, I was like, dude, I can't believe anyone gives a shit about what I have to say. So I just give them like the most like heartfelt response. Like I'm truly grateful that they actually like are giving me their time. And then they feel that, and now like they trust the hell out of us, and like that just kept going.
Yeah, I tell them like honestly, look, I'm being totally honest. You know, I came born and raised training sports. You know what I'm saying?
It's been your life.
It's been my life, and even I say, yeah, you can always try to push people like stop trying to look for something to look like. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Because your body, it's not going to form like mine. You can do the same. We can both have the same schedule, strength, chest, whatever.
They're going to grow different.
They're going to grow differently. You know what I'm saying? I have problems growing my chest, my upper chest especially. But you know, I got arms. You know, my family has big arms. We have big calves. Yeah. And it's just like that's just what I'm gifted with. And people just. I just don't get it because it's it's so crazy that like I love fitness but I don't care about it that much to fucking take it on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And it's just like, and I've had conversations with people like, fuck, well, I'm fighting for trying to make everybody believe me that I'm natural. I guess the only way to let y'all know is to actually jump on some shit and really show you. You know what I'm saying? Then y'all fucking see you like, oh, you gonna be sitting at that fucking desk like, damn, that nigga's wrong.
That's twice as big.
Damn. You wasn't joking. I wouldn't get twice as big. I would lose size actually, and then
get shredded as fuck.
Yeah, shredded as fuck and get stupid strong as fuck. That's what I would do. I wouldn't get bigger. I would fucking want myself to lose size and fucking just get dumb strong. So, just saying. Shout out to Lord Time Wedge. Just make sure you use code Aftermath for 10% off. That is LordTimePieces.com. Look at that, easy. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. I expected 2 more.
My PR is 415. So I tried 420. I did 415 at 205.
No. Go for 440.
Dude, I'll try. I feel like knowing our bodies, that's not happening. Although maybe your presence is gonna create something. Yeah, it is.
How fast
fucking
is it?
Dude! Walk out.
That's wasting energy. It's 25. You should have went 30.
Dude, Toronto might be right.
You know what I hate? The fact that this is 5 plates and it's still not 500 pounds. Here's that Larry right here. I think you're taking that belt off forcefully. Stick it in, girl. Fucking Larry, he's a clown, man. He's a clown. A lot of people don't think he's funny. That ain't funny. I don't eat much, but the meals that I have are like very high calorie dense. What?
Because you're saying exactly what we always tell him. Yeah. It's not
I'm
calories,
doing
it's
like
not calories.
I'm doing like 5, 6, 7 meals a day.
Bro, I can't fucking do that. I get so like tired just from eating more.
That's like a dream.
I'll eat maximum 3 times in a day.
Yeah, for real. Yeah.
3 times.
And what's the most common fuck up you see with your clients learning how to deadlift? Is it
Learning
like,
how to deadlift?
dude, I get blood shit. Yeah, that's why I'd be honest with you. Me drop my hips low. Yeah, like this. That's just the yeah, because like
You never deadlifted.
No, never.
5 times. We're gonna do it 6 times. We're gonna do it 5 times without the bar, and on the 6th one, I want you to grab the bar and lift up. Keep going. Drop it. 7. One more. grind the shit out your skin.
Okay.
Grind the shit out your skin. Grind. You know what I'm saying? You should be thinking about this bar. Like you're gonna get to the point where you're like, all right, you know, fucking right now. Now your hips are coming in rather than you just kicking it up. When it gets to that knees, you're thinking about pulling this in and your hips in as well. Grip the bar a little bit more in. Like, right here. Yeah. Now, relax those arms. What you don't want to be doing is trying to like man it up. You want to focus on this down area right here in the abs, and then lower back, and then try to pull up your arms. I go up a little bit to get a little stretch in my hamstrings, come back down, and then come back right here. Go straight, back down, and then that's kind of like an activation. Think about the glutes. Pull it to you. There you go. That was much better. Need one more. Oh, he has tight legs.
Definitely tight legs.
Yeah, definitely tight. It's like, I come down, I'm engaged, I stretch it, just kind of like get my body in like more relaxed, and then it helps me sink into my squat.
I notice a lot of people do that.
Boom. Between having to learn how to be on your heels and your soles at the same time. You think that's just like normal, you know what I'm saying? But it's like a midpoint, right? So it's weird. It's not full foot. You'll be more linked towards the heel and then onto the sole. You'll feel it more in your sole as you come more towards your hips. But let's do the same thing, jumps. So what you're doing when you pull it up, you pull up and then you'll go like this. Right? Yeah, you pull up, boom, 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 and you'll just lose it. You'll just fucking go up. Don't touch it. Drop that shit. Drop it right now. Go back down. Everything I'm teaching has been going out the window. Grab the bar and fall back. Alright, grab the bar again. Come back up. No. Grab the bar, come back up. No, you don't have that fit. You need more ab work. Definitely need more ab work.
You guys are trade abs.
Don't trade abs. You can't get up if you're not doing that. You need more ab work. Right? And you need. So just that alone right there. So that's only your ab release and your hip flexibility is shit, poor shit, pretty much. Which I can tell because your legs come straight and you don't have the gun. You're good. Hips are still down. Boom. You know? Better. How much do you weigh right there?
240.
240, and what's that right there?
180.
180, bro. How long?
It took about 6 to 7 months.
Oh, man.
I used to do 2 days, like twice a week.
Twice a week? Yeah.
On it like tough. So I mean, hoop, lift.
Yeah. That's that cardio. You're getting that cardio and that strength and conditioning, man.
Yeah.
Athletic training right there.
Trying to be.
Yeah.
One day.
I feel it, bro. Already, man.
Ready, set, go! Wait.
I was not warmed up for that. Nigga felt so sluggish. I should have stretched more. At my best was like in a 4-4 something, but now it's kind of like in a 4-5. If I was like to really warm up, you're really.
Where working all those hours for $1,000 a month was laughable, but I knew that if I wanted to win something meaningful, that I had to eat shit for a decade to get there. One of the biggest things I always tell people is, if somebody that looks like you with your circumstance made it, that eliminates your excuse.